Hello friends, the topic of discussion today is academic or practical subjects in schools. So let's read the full topic. Some believe that more academic subjects such as chemistry, physics and history should be taught in schools, while others believe that students will derive more benefit from studying practical subjects such as motor mechanics and cooking. Discuss both views and provide your own opinion with relevant examples. This is a discussion essay and we will state our opinion in the end of the essay. In the first paragraph, we paraphrase the question statement and provide an essay outline. So let's start. Intellectual subjects such as chemistry, physics or history are essential for a better understanding of the world around us and should be a part of the school curriculum. Even though studying practical subjects such as motor mechanics and cooking in schools can ensure better preparedness for a future career, both sides will be critically analyzed to find out a logical conclusion. Notice the vocabulary. Intellectual is another way to talk about academic. Preparedness means ready. So let's move on to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, we talk of benefits of teaching vocational subjects in schools. We have supported this idea with example. Remember, the question asks us to give relevant example, and if we do not give example, we will be penalized for task achievement. So let's move on. It is argued that vocational subjects prepare the students for practical needs of any job that student undertakes in future. These subjects give preparation of the functional know-how to the student. A recent study conducted by NSDC, National Skills Development Corporation, shows that students with vocational background have a better understanding of the functions of each aspect and solve the problem with a hands-on approach as compared to academic graduates. This study can help them gain mastery in the required skills of an occupation that they may adopt as a career later on. For the vocabulary part, vocational means relating to job skills. Hands-on approach is a phrase that means practical. In the third paragraph, we support the idea of teaching academic subjects in school and do this strongly as we have to conclude in favor of this statement. However, studying academic subjects increases the reasoning power and sharpens the mind of the learner. This is evident in Indian administrative services, wherein a majority of high-ranking posts are occupied by students from academic background and other students with vocational skills have to suffice with junior or middle-level posts. The perspective of such students may even lead them to invent new possibilities in various spheres due to their out-of-box thinking. It is broadly assumed that the academic fundamentals of the child must be strong for achieving greater heights in longer term. Have a look at the vocabulary. Perspective means point of view. And now we move on to the conclusion paragraph. Here we announce our opinion after analyzing the both sides and restate key points of the essay briefly. After careful analysis, I believe that academic subjects help in building strong basics of the child in an early stage of life. Although vocational subjects might help in creating a pragmatic approach towards a job, but academic subjects channel the learner's mind towards a more innovative thinking, thus breaking all boundaries of success. A look at the vocabulary. Pragmatic means practical, channel means to direct or route, innovative means creative, breaking all boundaries is another phrase for limitless. So that's it. Hope you like my essay. Please stay tuned for more such essays and don't forget to like the video. Thanks a lot.